My nose was. Well, I'm Squidward.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Hey bro, can I get a sip of that water? It's not water. Vodka. I like your style. It's vinegar. What? It's vinegar. Puss.
John, I want a divorce.
Divorce.
It's not funny, John, and you know it's been coming for a long time. Why do you always laugh when I'm upset? I'm absolutely serious.
Oh my god, I still haven't found my berries, but I found these.
Let's face it, we're stranded. Look! Blueberries!
Oh my god, where's my berries?
You're all going to hell. Goodbye. Wow.
Look at all those chickens.
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means?
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Hey, how you doing, love mama? Let me whisper in your ear. It's free real estate.
So on the plane crash, KTVU has just learned the names of the 4 pilots who were on board the flight. They are Captain Sum Ting Wong, Wee Tu Lo, Ho Lee Fook, and Bang Ding Ao.
I want to be a cowboy, man.
Johnny has 19 bottles of dish soap, and he gives Gina. Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps? Mind your business, David!
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Billy.
I just don't feel your love. Dude.
Remember, class, you can be anything you want. I want to be the president. Andrew, try a little bit smaller thing.
Bitch, you said I could be anything I want.
I would. I just got too much to do tonight.
You know you've got that thing that makes the girls all swing. Daddy?
Do I look?
I do that.
What? What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?
Am I gay? No. Sorry, I love.
Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me, Get
Get the ass off my yard!
Hello. 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 Hello.
I guess we have a porch.
Hello. 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 Hello.
You want my train with a face and I'm coming your way.
Choo choo, motherfucker. It's your motherfucking birth.
I'm just kidding.
Seja muito feliz com a escolha dela.
Wait, oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Pinky Winky Boom Boom Dance.
You want to poke it?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
I play in a band. That's fun.
I was in a band.
putting so much stuff on your lips. Stop putting so much on. Stop.
And in here, 2 shots of vodka. Then 1 shot of melon liqueur.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo. Free